Myth number 4. Police can always pat you down for officer safety for any stop. Reality, officers cannot, and I want to be very specific about this, pat you down for a search for weapons without, and I quote, specific, articulable, reasonable suspicion that you are armed and dangerous. In other words, cops must have particular facts that you are not just armed, but that you are also dangerous. They have to paint a picture. It's not illegal, particularly, well, depending on your state, I guess, to actually be armed in your vehicle. So being armed and dangerous are two separate things. It must be armed plus dangerous. So just because they think you are armed does not necessarily by itself allow them to now be able to perform this pat-down search for weapons. In the Supreme Court case of Terry versus Ohio, the Supreme Court allowed for a pat-down of the outer clothing of someone during a traffic stop if the officer believed that he was carrying a weapon and he might be dangerous for officer safety's sake. The problem is many cops now use this as a catch-all excuse to say they don't like something about you. Now they want to pat you down to see, for officer safety's sake, if you might be having a weapon.